Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, बेटा योगेश sir.
We are discussing about the theodolite topic from surveying and geometric subject. Uh, in this topic, we are going to discuss about the theodolite. Its construction part means how made. Its construction part means how it is fixed. What is the working part? What is the parts that are useful for the measuring horizontal and vertical? Which are the parts that are required for the leveling of the instrument? Leveling is very important part of the any instrument. First, we level it and then we go for the measurement. Means how can we level the instrument by using the bubble tube and all such things we are going to discuss in the construction part. Second part is discuss in that part deflection angle, how we can measure the deflection angle, horizontal and vertical angle, bearing, magnetic bearing of any line, prolonging of line, ranging a line, and setting out of the angle. We are going to discuss all these things. And second, this topic is theodolite traversing, in which we are going to discuss about the actual field work and the how the traverse on the field. So now we are going to introduction part. So on screen you are seeing the theodolites. That orange color theodolite is a vernier type theodolite. Uh, it is a mechanical instrument, and one man is looking through the instrument that is in green color. It is a total station type theodolite. It is advanced. It works on the lasers and all. It is the advanced instrument. Uh, Look at this. This is the vernier theodolite. This is we will discuss it thoroughly in next part. This is the overview. We get the horizontal readings. This is the tripod. By using this, we make the leveling of the instrument. These are the screws. These are the three screws which we require for the precise leveling any instrument. We will discuss this in next part. Just this is the image actually theodolite is. Okay. Now, introduction part of this theodolite. The theodolite is an intricate instrument mainly for the accurate measurement of the horizontal and the vertical angle to 10 degree or 10 second to 20 second. Means we have many instrument in the survey for measuring the angles, but list count of those angles is not means we can measure up to 1 degree, 2 degree, but in the theodolite we can measure horizontal angle every 1 minute or every 2 seconds. Mean you can know what is the precise level of this theodolite. Okay, means theodolite is a universal instrument. Horizontal angle, vertical angle, and simply I will explain one by one. Theodolite is used for the measuring the horizontal angle. Okay. Now, depending on the instrument, theodolite is called as a vernier theodolite or micrometer theodolite. Means if it is measured with the vernier scale, it is called as vernier theodolite. If it is micrometer theodolite, it is called as a micrometer theodolite. Means vernier is vernier means it precision level is and we have to fix some angles or something. Then we can go with the tape and all these things and measure the vertical angle at physically going over those 2 3 points. But if we use the theodolite instead of tape and all these convenient, we can measure the vertical angle which we required for fixing anything by setting the instrument at the place which is convenient to us. Okay. Theodolite can be used for deflection angle. What is deflection angle? Deflection angle is the angle made at the actual north. Okay. There are two poles, north poles and south pole. When when we measure the angle with the north pole, it is called as a magnetic bearing. Okay. So third light can be also used for measuring the for measuring the magnetic bearing. But magnetic compass has not such uh, precision level as it has about 30 degree. But theodolite can measure 10 second to 20 seconds. We can measure horizontal angle by using compass with respect to meridian, which gives the latitude. Also, it is impossible to measure the vertical angle with the compass. Compass cannot measure the vertical angle. It can rotate only around the vertical line. It cannot revolve around the symmetrical circle. So it cannot measure the vertical angle. For measuring the vertical angle, we have to use the third light. Okay. So for measuring angle accurately for the points with considerable elevation or depression or considerable distance, we need to use the theodolite. You have to fix something in the tall building and you have to fix some cutout over there. You can't use the tapes and measure the actual height of the building as there are many physical barriers there where we can't go with the tape and measure the height of the building. So at such cases you can use the theodolite to know the height of the object, and work you can work and make that height. Suppose you have to fix on the building and go to the building and fix it. So third light can be used for fast work also, and where it is very difficult to reach. Okay. The bridge, then have to know the exact elevation of these 2 points. You can suppose there is construction going on from two location. We are constructing a bridge from other side and one is from other side. Have to connect that bridge by we have to know the exact is there is any difference of these points or not. We can fix the third light and know the elevation point. Many times we have for ranging means to know one line only. So third light can be ranging of the line. We will discuss it broadly. I will show you how we use the third light for line. Okay. Now the third light survey. The system of surveying in which points are measured with the help of third light is called as a third light survey. There are methods of the surveying, mean chain survey. If we measure the chain, then it is called the chain survey. If we measure the line or angle with the compass, it is called the compass survey. If we know the distance by the tachometer, it is called the tachometric survey. Means methods of the surveying. Uh, there are various types of the theodolite survey. These are according to the telescope of that means the you have a third light have this is the telescope. It revolves around its axis in vertical plane, and then it is called as a transit third light. If it can revolve around it, then it is called as transistor. And if this revolve around this uh, horizontal vertical angles, means we have to and in non-transit light you cannot measure the okay as it cannot revolve about its horizontal axis. Okay, then another type of the third light is vernier third light. Okay, if vernier is fitted with for measuring if scale is vernier used in third as a vernier third light, and if micrometer is used in third light, it is called as a micrometer. Okay. Okay. Also, another types of the third light according to the uh, size of the circle. That is 10 it have we have we have earlier history, modern history, and later history. Okay, we will see first the of it. Now people have been measuring construction purpose from many centuries. Means suppose there is Egypt. In Egypt there the pyramids have precise angles. How they have made those angles 90 degree, 60 degree every pyramid. So I am saying here measuring the angle for construction purpose from many centuries. Where Egyptians it's then you will know that sunset or sunrise is there. They're in a single line. Means they are precisely in a line and precisely. So before ancient day also, Egyptian used these broma instrument lights. Okay, there are indicate that the Romans used a tool such as diopter is a circular plate that mark an angle for the similar purpose. Used another tool called a diopter. Okay, the income and names of these go and changing. Okay, it was divided circle and square in center. Means look, there where the construction was going in ancient days. They were using the instrument as they have. Means when Egyptians were using the groma, then at that time Indians were using something different for measuring angle. Indians may have been using a different instrument for measuring. Um Britishers might be using instrument for the measuring angle. In measuring angle was is coming from the his mid 70s. Okay, after that the horizontal circle with a vertical semicircle. Means here they introduced the horizontal circle and vertical semicircle. Measuring the horizontal line and vertical semicircle for measuring the vertical. The early theodolites were works. Okay, they were had made out of the brass and head. Earlier, the theodolite were made from the. There was a problem of the expansion due to the heat to the brass materials. As we go ahead and ahead, the technology change, material change. Today we are seeing the advanced total station like is what they have told over here. Device they were much precise. Okay, when you use like those instrument, when you make error of in plotting, when the lines are for large distance, manipulating, and they have just told over here important because an error of 1 second translated into the error of 1 foot distance of 40 miles means error goes on manipulation. You might have seen in error. So this is the basic of the survey work from the old. Now we see the later history. In 1773, J.C. Ramsden invented the mechanical dividing higher accuracy and production of the third light. This in turn resulted third light orderability and placed the England at third light production industry. See here the accurate third light construction. Okay, third lights come to the market in 1815 on the request of the Thomas. He wanted Ferdinand Hustler, the appointment of the survey of the coast to survey America. Theodolite remained protected until 1950s when electronic distance measures were invented. Okay, this was the history. You are not much concerned about this. This is just for your information, but you are know the terms used in the theodolite, which I am going to over here. These are the some terms in this chapter, like centering of the theodolite, transiting. What is transiting? Right place, right place. What is the so what we have learned in this iterate I was saying in introduction of this introduction part of this will teach you the theodolite in next lecture, as we have to stop this lecture as 2 or 2:30. So I will just overview what I have you in this chapter introduction part, for what purpose theodolite is used, then some definition of theodolite and the types of the theodolite. Okay. This is the theodolite. These are the points. These are the various points. This is the diagram. This is directly asked in the exam to give the basic diagram and the construction part of this is the topic. Vertical circle, horizontal circle, plate bubble. These are right in the exam. This is also which show the construction part of the theodolite. This is another part from backside. So now we will, as we have to attend our function at 3 sharp. So thank you for listening and discontinuing. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
There is one notice for all of you. So on the occasion of Engineers Day celebration, so we have a lecture of Honorable Anand Chincholkar at 3 p.m. So you all are requested to join your B Live account. Now, after 2:30 to 3, there is a short break for you. So आप सभी लोग 3 बजे ज्वाइन हो जाइए और मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजिए. लिंक आपके मेल पे आई है, नहीं तो मैं अभी वो अपने ग्रुप पे भेज देता हूँ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then YD रिपीटर आणि बॅक असलेले स्टुडंट, सब्जेक्ट बॅक असलेले स्टुडंट, युनिव्हर्सिटीचा जो फॉर्म होता तो भरलेला आहे. सब्जेक्ट राहिले